this town called?
Carthage. Look at that. It's still open.
Roots Court. That tyre place over there. The old drive-in theatre. Web City, zinc mining town. Reminds me of Australia, this one.
It does. Oh, that's Route 66 centre. House there.
Yeah, that's amazing. This is Joplin. We're nearly on the border of Kansas, and Route 66 chops the corner off Kansas. It's an old survey.
Famous State Line bar.
Where?
Yeah, right.
Right on there. Have we gone over the State Line yet?
Yep.
Because the signs have changed colour again. And they now say Kansas!
Route begins.
Woohoo! So that's from the movie.
Is it?
That's where the movie was taken from.
Oh, really?
Just about to go across the historic Rainbow Bridge. The only one left of this type on Route 66.
Straight to 923.
I'm going left now.
Sorry? Okay.
We're going left now.
So we're going right?
We're going right now. The other left. That would be it on the left there.
Yeah.
66. Gas station. With original pumps, I'd imagine, or is that a new one?
Pumps.
Okay, that's a new one. Maybe it's in the old spot.
Yeah.
I think it's in the old spot. But it's... Oh, there we go. On the left there. Ah, that's the information centre.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Route 66 soda fountain.
That's pretty cool.
That's it.
Yeah. We're on State Line Road. We've got Kansas on this side. And Oklahoma on this side. We thought we'd mix it up a bit, so tonight we've pulled into a casino. They've got 8 RV spots, and we're going to see what it's all about. Maybe go and have a bit of a flutter. What's going on?
Right.
Where are we, and what's going on?
We are at Kapoor Kapoor Casino. Wendy found this joint, and for 3 nights it cost a total of $0. So, and that's with electricity, and yeah, so it's cost us nothing to stay here tonight.
Let's go in this one. That's the casino. It just does not look like an Australian casino.
In Australia we have dress code, like you've got to wear a collared shirt and not design of clothes, but pretty close. You got to be have clean shaven and things, and I asked what the dress code was here, and she said, you can go in your pajamas. So we had a bit of a laugh about that.
So should we go in our pajamas?
No. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. We'll go in and have a flutter. Wendy and I have been to, what, how many casinos in our life?
5, maybe?
5. And we've set a limit of $10 each. And Wendy takes $10 to the roulette table, and I take $10 to the blackjack table. And I usually come out pretty good.
And then after about 2 hours, I give my $10 to Magnus because I don't like betting.
She hasn't even spent a cent on the roulette.
We went through Kansas very briefly yesterday. I think we only did a few miles in Kansas, chopped the corner off. And then today, now we're in Oklahoma. I think we're heading, well, I know we're heading west. Just coming into Commerce.
Home of the Tigers.
Oh, that's lovely. Cookies. It's so cool. Alan's filling station in Commerce. Love it. Got the dairy over there and the servo here. Hamburgers, $1.45. Drive-through windows. There's the drive-through window. Oh, that's so cool. Gotta get back on the road.
That is Clanton's.
That's the one. It's a famous eat sign. I think the original eat sign died, but they've replaced it. Stopping at famous Clanton's for some breakfast. Okay. Going in. Well, that's the road, but in the summer with all the greenery.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So this is our breakfast. I've got biscuits and gravy. Mangus has got fried eggs and rye bread.
With Hitch bread. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, look at the till. These little ones. Helen's got chairs like that. So we just had a lovely breakfast here at Clanton's. Now we're hitting the road. How cool is this? It's a cool car. Hitting the road.
This American accent you're talking.
Do you like my American accent? So this is the 9-foot section of the highway.
Yeah.
Wow. That's how wide it is. That's the whole highway. It's the 9-foot section. Very narrow. Historic Route 66 Ribbon Road Sidewalk Highway. That's really cool. The one on the left up. Morning.
Deutsch?
No, Australian.
Australian?
Yeah, Australia.
Oh, long trip.
So cool. Just met up with another couple who are doing the same thing. All stays, Wiki Camp, USA and boondocking. Old motel down there. Just gorgeous.
Oh wow.
Crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Alright.
Intrigue. Oh wow, look at that. Relaxing highway cafe. Not much out here. That garage on the left, that's definitely an icon. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh yeah. Amazing. It's a shame it's been let go. Dr. Bob's Auto Clinic. Empire Truck Rental. Oh my goodness. in Chelsea now. It said there's an old mill. Maybe it's that building.
Yeah, it'd be that building.
Yeah, over there. That one. The old mill in Chelsea. Here you go. The walnut? That looks like an old.
Nah.
No?
He's done. This is Will Rogers' hometown. It's the biggest private collection of guns in the world, isn't it?
Oh. We found the international section. But alas, there's no Indian food. There's Japanese, Chinese, Mexican, but no Indian. But at least it means we can get those foods when we reach America in the yacht. Or should I say sailboat? Biscuits, sausage, egg and cheese. Croissant,
No.
egg and cheese.
Wow.
I know, never seen that before. Lots of cakes. Cheesy pizza. Having a look in the bakery. Self-serve donuts. Donuts. Look at the size of the donuts. What have you found? Cinnamon buns?
A cheese Danish. I've also found strawberry cheese.
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh, that's funny. Look what we found. Hard Rock Tulsa. That's big. It's quite a sign. That's more like a casino, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what. Whoa! The big building.
Yeah, that one there.
I didn't see that.
It's a gorgeous sign. It's a Tulsa sign, so I think that might not be
Oh, no, it's
old. It's just
I
nice.
know.
What's it say?
Brookshire. Hotel.
Brookshire Motel. Look at that. That's so cool.
In October we will come, 150,000 strong. When the pickings over will be gone, they call us harvest gypsies. We only come because we must. We were driven here by dust, and they don't even look at us. They call us harvest gypsies. That it's ever been. I sold my blankets for gasoline, and it's only hunger that I've seen.
Yeah, there's a statue of the designer of Route 66. He's in the Model A Ford, and then he's coming across a mine-working horse and cart.
Oh, nice.
The biggest bronze statue in America.
Pretty
It's all
spectacular.
for Route 66.
Yeah.
The hardest that it's ever been. I sold my blankets for gasoline, and it's only hunger that I've seen. Now I'm a harvest gypsy, but there's apricots in Santa Clara.
It's coming into Bristow.
And the grapes are growing everywhere, all for the harvest gypsies.
Coca-Cola sign.
Yeah. The signwriters painted those in their sleep, I reckon.
It's really cool. Tammy's Roundup Cafe. Oh, look at that one.
In a walnut grove I met a man who lost a child before San Fran. With strangers they don't.
Oh, That's cool. It's the Lincoln Motel.
Lines, they fill with men when it is time.
That's the Phillips 66 server. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? There's the Boomerang Diner. Nicely spotted. 1933 truss bridge going over Captain Creek. Yep, that's the red barn.
What's that, Acacia?
So we're in the Central State campground, looking for a spot. So we can go Cottonwood or Bobcat.
Start at Cottonwood.
We've had a bit of a lie-in. Oh, let's go that way. The light's a bit better. It's a bit bright. Had a bit of a lie-in. It's about 8 o'clock. Managed to doing a bit of work. I've come out to have a look around. It's a beautiful spot, right on the lake. You can hear the birds. And life's good. This is our little camp spot for today. It's morning. You can hear the birds, I'm sure. We're right on the lake. Stunning. Here's our little leprechaun. So peaceful and beautiful. Got our own table and chairs, and we've got our own barbecue, and looks like we've got sort of like grill. Well set up grill. Wicked. Perilla style. Goes up and down. That's good. That's pretty cool. Little barbecue pit. And a few twigs to get you started. Very private. Nicely spaced apart. Look at that. And there's a playground for the kids. Not bad. This is the entrance to the park. Central State Park. I love this. It's like so retro. Even the camp board. And all these boxes. It does look like it hasn't changed forever. Oh, look at all the numbers in there. This place looks like it's come out of the 50s. I don't know if they're the original signs. Okay, we're leaving the park. Hitting the road, going to get dewinterized.
Yeah.